I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called fried sweet potato. The Chinese name is called 香煎地瓜条. The main ingredients we need two peeled. The skin already use a peeler to peel it. Peeled skin, sweet potato, and few cilantro. Those are the main ingredients we need for the dish. If you don't have cilantro, you can use a little celery. The original one use a little celery just for the flavor decoration. Okay, we cut the sweet potato. This sweet potato we already peel the skin and use the peeler peel the skin, and we cut the sweet potato. We cut this big potato, sweet potato in the two parts. Then we cut it like this. So this thick, this way. Then we cut it like this. Cut it. So the final will be like this. The sweet potato. So cilantro, we just keep this long and we don't cut it. I use a paper, I wash it, I use a paper towel to dry it. So we use it. This is the potato starch. We add 1 tablespoon potato starch to the sweet potato. If you don't have potato starch, you can use the cornstarch. You just add to the sweet potato. We want to coat it so then the outside will be crunchy. Just like this to let the sweet potato to coat it with the potato starch. You can use cornstarch. Yeah, it's okay. So when you fry it, outside will be crispy, inside it will be tender. Okay, it will be like this. You see the sweet potato is coated with potato starch. So we just fry it. Turn on the stove, medium flame. When the pot is hot, we add 2 cups, over 2 cups vegetable oils to it. And rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, don't do this. It's very dangerous. Just wait as the oil is hot. Okay, we add the cilantro to the oil. Be careful, just keep a distance. So the cilantro starts frying, that means the oil is hot enough. Just fry the cilantro until it's fully cooked. Then we take the cilantro out. Okay, this cilantro is ready. It's ready fully. It become fried, deep fried. It's already cooked. Then we go drain the oil. Now we add the sweet potato, coated sweet potato into it to fry. Coated potato starch, sweet potatoes into the oil. Be careful, don't burn by the oil. Be very careful. Just slowly fry until the until they become have a hard shape, then move it and till the golden brown and crispy outside, inside tender, fully cooked. Okay, right now it's already kind of become hard, sounds like a soft sticky, so we just move it, let it move the sweet potato, let it goodly, both side, outside is fully cooked, fully fried and become crispy, and the inside become tender, so just slowly fry. It tender over, like both sides be fried. Move it, let it good fried. When the sweet potato and the fried become outside become golden brown, you can feel it when you get one and you can hear that it's crispy. You can hear that sound from the pot. When you hit it, you can shape the sound, and then you can use a chopstick or fork, poke through the sweet potato. If it's easy to go through the sweet potato, that means this sweet potato is fully cooked. Then right now we just get it out to drain the oil. Okay, we drain the oil and add more sweet potato into it to fry. To fry it until it become crispy outside, then we mix it to stir it, let it well fried. Okay, we add drained oil, sweet potato to the plate. Okay, when the potato becomes golden brown and the outside very crispy and inside become, as you use a chopstick, you easy to poke through it. We get it out to drain the oil. Let it cool, become cool, let it cool down. Okay, we drain the oil, and we add more to it. It's the last part of fry. Okay, when the sweet potato become golden brown and crisp outside, inside become tender, and we get the sweet potato out to drain the oil. Okay, we drain the oil and top the stove. Let sweet potato drain the oil. And also put this fried oil away and drain and fill it and save it for frying other vegetables or meat. Okay, we add the drained oil, the last part fried sweet potato to the plate. This is a fried cilantro, or you can use celery or parsley, either is okay, it's up to you. On the top, this is a plain salt. If you do, you can use plain salt or just plain sugar. Either is okay. You just add a pinch. Don't add too much. Add a pinch, and on the top. Don't add too much on the top of this dish. Then this dish is done. Don't add too much. Just a little pinch of on the top of a pinch of sugar, plain sugar or plain salt on the sprayed on the top of this dish. So this dish is done. And so the fried sweet potato, this dish is done. And I hope you like it. So please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you next time.